Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that surprises many older men. How to make younger women chase you. Most older men think it's about money, looks, or status. But the truth is that attraction has a lot to do with your energy, confidence, and mystery. You don't need to chase anyone when you know how to carry yourself like a man in control. Let's look at 7 powerful psychological tips that will make younger women chase you. Be sure to watch the video until the end. Stay calm and don't chase. Younger women are attracted to older men who are calm, men who don't get excited or nervous easily. When you show that you're not desperate for her attention, you immediately stand out. Most people chase, text too much, or try to impress, but a mature man takes center stage. He listens more, talks less, and lets the silence do the work. Remember, women are emotional creatures. If you make her feel calm, secure, and a little unsure about how much you like her, she'll start chasing that feeling over and over again, and she'll fall for you. That's how you become magnetic, not high, not flashy, just grounded. 2. Keep the mystery alive. Don't reveal everything about yourself right away. Younger women are attracted to older men who seem deep and hard to read. When she can't predict your next move, her mind is on the move. She starts thinking about you when you're not around. This curiosity turns into attraction. So when she asks personal questions, don't rush to answer everything. Respond slowly. Smile, pause, and say something like, "Maybe I'll tell you another time." This simple line will keep her interested and pull her in. 3. Speak with purpose. Every word you say should come from a place of confidence. Don't rush. Take your time. Be calm. Make eye contact when you speak slowly, and let your words mean something. You project emotional control. Young women are used to men who try hard to impress them. But a man who speaks with purpose shows strength. She'll remember how you made her feel more than what you said. 4. Create a life she wants to be a part of. Don't make her the center of your world. Make your life the center. Work on your goals, your health, your emotions. Travel, build something, hone your skills. A man who is busy living an exciting life doesn't need a woman. He chooses one, and women can sense that energy immediately. She'll want to be a part of your journey because it feels alive, it feels strong. That's why older men with a sense of direction naturally attract younger women. You're offering an emotional adventure that she can't find with younger guys. Bumper. Confidence, not arrogance. Real confidence is quiet. Bumper. Confidence, not arrogance. Real confidence is quiet. It's the way you walk, the way you sit, the way you look at her without rushing to talk. You've been through this life, you've learned, failed, and grown. This gives you something that younger men can't fake. Depth. You don't have to prove anything. You already know who you are. Women sense this emotional maturity, and that's why they chase men who are calm, focused, and confident. Confidence isn't about bragging. It's about knowing your worth without having to say it. 6. Don't show jealousy. Nothing kills attraction faster than jealousy. Don't react emotionally if she talks to other guys. Speak calmly. A confident man is confident in his worth. He doesn't compete. Smile, stay calm, and let your energy say, "I know who I am. You either value me or you don't." This silent power drives women crazy because she can't shake your confidence. She starts chasing just to get your attention back, and she always wants to be with you. Sir, walk away from disrespect. This is where most men fail. They tolerate disrespect because they are afraid of losing it. But here's the truth. The moment you allow disrespect, they lose attraction. If she crosses the line, stay calm, don't say anything, and walk away. Silence is stronger than arguments. It shows that you have self-confidence. When she knows you won't chase, she will see an immediate increase in your value, and will chase you. Women always return to men who respect themselves first. So remember, attraction is not about chasing women. It's about building a life, a mindset, and a presence that draws them in. Be calm, be mysterious, stay focused, and you never have to run after anyone.
See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.